Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on DGByte coin. In the month of January 2021, I shared this very big bullish shark pattern with you that the DGByte formed on the monthly time frame. Sorry, this was not on the monthly time frame. This was on the 2-week time frame chart. And I told you guys that from here the DGByte can start a very big move. You can see at that time the price was 79 satoshis or 0.00000 Bitcoin, 79 Bitcoins. And after playing the chart, you can see that the price action rallied up to 311 satoshis. That is more than 290% big move. This time again, the DigiByte has formed a very big bullish reversal setup, even bigger than this one. You can see that this is a very big bullish harmonic guardian move on the monthly time frame chart. Now I'll show you complete buying and sell targets for this trade. And before this trade, I shared this idea at the Patreon on 30th of May, when the price line completed a very big bullish reversal harmonic sharp move with the US dollar pair. And I told my members at the Patreon that this can be a very big move from here. You can see that this was a weekly time frame chart. And I'm just going to play this chart and to show you how the price line behaved after that. We also had a very nice support of 50 simple moving average on the weekly time frame, and the price action was entered in this buying zone, or this potential reversal zone of the bullish shark. And after playing the chart, we can see that the price action completely entered the buying zone and reversed bullish, and now it is going to hit the sell targets very soon. As per the Fibonacci sequence, the sell targets can be from 9 cents to 15.2 cents. Now, before showing you the bigger chart, that is the very big harmonic guardian move, let me just show you the different support and resistance levels. And this is the daily time frame chart, and here you can see that we had the key level support at 3.5 cents, and the price action after this big drop formed a double bottom here and reversed bullish from here. And after moving up, the price action broke out the 25 simple moving average, the 50 and 100 as well. And now the price action is rejected by this 200 simple moving average. And I'm expecting once the price line will be able to break out this 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame, then it can work as a very strong support for the price line, and we can have a very long-term rally after that, like previously we had here. After breaking out the 200 simple moving average, the price line traveled very well above all these simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100 and 200 on the daily time frame. And once the price action broke down these moving averages here, we had a very strong bearish trend, and here the price action again formed a double bottom above this support and broke out all these moving averages, and now trying to break out the 200 SMA. And our next resistance was 5 cents. The price action has already broken out this resistance, and after 5 cents we had the next resistance at 6.5 cents. And you can see after breaking out this resistance, the price action retested the previous resistance as support, moved up again, and after being rejected by 200 simple moving average, it is again at 6.5 cents support level that was previously working as a resistance. And this was a very strong resistance for the price action. You can see previously it had been working as a support here and as a resistance here and slightly resistance here as well, and it has been working as a support here, and as a resistance here. Therefore, it was expected that this time it can again work as a strong resistance for the price action, but you can see that the price line after one rejection, the price action has broken out this resistance, and now at this support at the previous resistance of 6.5 cents, it is using it as a support and moving above this previous resistance level. The next resistance will be at 8.5 cents, and you can see that previously the 8.5 cents has been breaking as a support here and here as well and here as well. Therefore, it can be also another strong resistance on the daily time frame. Then we will have the next resistance at 10 cents. It has been breaking as a support here and here as well. Then we have at 12 cents that has been breaking as a support here and as a support here as well and here as well. and then we have the next resistance at 14 cents, and our final resistance will be at 17 cents. I believe once the price line will be able to break out this 200 simple moving average, then it can even move up to 17 cents to make another powerful attempt to break it out. Now let me to show you the very big harmonic move again. Previously we had this move on the 2-week time frame chart. You can see that this was on the 2-weekly time frame chart, but this time this move has formed on the monthly time frame chart. Even the recent move that I've shown you with the US dollar pair has been formed on the 4-day time frame chart. Therefore, this is a very big harmonic move, and from here, after getting reverse bullish from here, I'm expecting that it can even go for all-time high against the US dollar pair. Like as per this Binance exchange, we have the highest price ever here back in 2014. That was 0.00002602 bitcoins. That will be a massive move because this is a very huge bullish reversal move. And if you are following my videos on the different harmonic patterns, whenever I show you the different harmonic patterns, then after such a big formations, we have seen that the price action even crosses the all-time high as well. So it can cross up the all-time high once it will have a powerful reversal from here. Okay, this potential reversal zone, as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley, is quite wide because as per the classic Gartley trading pattern, we set our stop loss here. We, after the completion of this final leg up to 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, we set our stop loss here and place our buying orders between this level. However, you can see that this potential reversal zone starts from 0.0000109 bitcoins to 51 bitcoins or 51 satoshis. So it will be a very big and wide potential reversal zone. Therefore, I have found a very strong support here at 0.000080 bitcoins. So this can be a really very strong support for the price line. And now this potential reversal zone starts from 109 satoshis and goes to 80 satoshis. And from here, we can set our sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish Gartley. The realistic targets are from 0.00000189 bitcoins to 273 bitcoins. And this is the maximum sell targets as per the Fibonacci sequence of this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley. However, I will repeat it again, after such a big bullish reversal move, we can expect that it can go for all-time high to break out the previous all-time high ever in the history of DigiByte. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon. I have shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.